Hi, my name is Joachim Splichal. I'm the chef and founder of the Patina Group. Wow, look at this. They're my hands on a plate. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're produced by Bernardaud in France, and I came up with a terrific dish. You only can get them in Santa Barbara, and you have to really eat them right away. The reason why I wanted to do a dish with shrimp, because the plate is all gray and the plate will live a little bit with the shrimps on the plate. Now we will assemble the dish. This is fennel. It's a little haricot vert. Yeah, some pear tomatoes, a little bit of celery, a little bit of avocado, and there's some spring onion. This is tomato mousse, this is pureed tomatoes, just tomatoes, put them in the blender. And now we make a little bit of vinaigrette. So we use lemon juice together with a little bit of olive oil. So we just dress it very lightly. Baby celery, fennel leaves, touch of celery leaves. And when you look at the dish, which the two hands, it's basically presenting you the best food ever. Wow, look at this. What a design, what elegance. Bernardaud, 2014, gorgeously designed. And I came up with a very luxury dish because the plate looks very luxury. So I'm doing a tuna tartare with avocado, shallots, and creme fraiche and caviar. The most important thing is that it's really sushi grade tuna because you're gonna eat it raw, so it's very important. We add some shallots, just a little bit of olive oil. You take an avocado, just take a slice, put it in the bottom of the mold, tuna in the mold, so you flatten it out, and then you lift your mold, etc. caviar, and place it on top. It's going to be an expensive dish. Most likely the dish will exceed the price of the plate. This is a tuna tartare with avocado, etc. caviar, and a little bit creme fraiche. Very luxury, expensive, fits perfectly with the plate, and I'm sure the Russians are gonna love it.